How's life treating you?
Hawaii is beautiful. I feel relaxed and I don't care even if I put my t-shirt opposite. I just sunset and beach and...
Two teams of 3 creative people each will start in Berlin and travel in opposite directions. One team goes east, the other one goes west. They want to make it to the other side of the world, Japan, only by traveling from one friend to another.
So the most amazing thing here, we saw turtles. I almost freaked out. Like a week ago we saw a bear and now we see turtles. They were just at the beach, chilling at the beach. So we went snorkeling and then they were swimming with us. So we were swimming with turtles.
Absolutely so cute watching Yvonne and Panos swimming with turtles and stuff, but just seeing how excited they were and happy they were was really beautiful, because that's what the sea does to me. It makes me happy and I think brings out the best in me. So the power of friendship brought us to Hawaii, and what else we're gonna do? We are a little surf, and we have the professional here. I surfed like all day and it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Mike was trying to help us out a lot, although he was very busy with his work. So like I was getting a little nervous about it because our visa was expiring on the 6th. And on the 4th, we still didn't have fixed plans. But then I called him and said, hey, Mike, really, we have to find a solution.
He ended up finding his friend Mello, who said yes, and that we could come visit him, but he was on the other side of the island. So we woke up really early, got a train ticket from Sanya to Haikou. So we just got to Haikou and we're gonna meet up with Mello, but then we were getting to his work and we realized Renata had left the camera at home. So I ran back to grab it, so got that, but now I have no idea where I am and the girls are not responding. So yeah, just kind of lost in Haikou.
We're gonna meet our next host, so we're gonna meet him here, and I have no idea how he looks like, so for me it's gonna be a surprise.
So funny to be here waiting and feeling a little bit anxious. Anytime. Oh, he arrived. How are you?
Hi. My name is Mello. They call me around here Mello, but my real name is Carmelo de los Santos. And what I do in Haikou, I'm a bass player and a frontman of my band Gone Wild.
This is Mike, my drummer.
Hello.
Yeah.
Mike the drummer.
Yeah.
Cool.
The captain.
Yeah.
In Sanya, I was wearing this in Sanya. Everyone who sees, or somebody like sees this one in one shop, like Mel is here. Yeah, my favorite now is Captain America.
All right, I've been walking now for about an hour. I feel like I really know this city now. I'm covered in sweat because it's really hot here. But yeah, welcome to Haiku. I found this cool little dragon statue. So these are what the sidewalks look like here. Just bike, 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 bike. It just said Starbucks, so if it's not, I'm gonna cry probably. No joke, this is not the right Starbucks. You can't even make this stuff up. I'm definitely getting the feeling that I'm walking in circles now at this point. I've seen that dragon before. Just past the hour-and-a-half mark of walking around. Finally, gonna see the girls and our new host. Got to meet Mello and Mike, and they were so much fun. They are like so much like my friends back home that are Filipinos, so it was really, I don't know, awesome to see them and hang out a lot.
So we are at Chucky's, and that's where Mello is playing with his band, so we're gonna see how his music is. Hi. Hello. Welcome to Chucky. Hi, thank you.
Mello was such a fun, interesting, and awesome guy as well. He made us have a blast with him. Such a fun and welcoming and heart-warming night.
Can you tell me something about him that no one knows?
He's old. Good heart. Good heart. If you had a fight with him, that means you have the problem, not him. Something like that. Good heart.
Mello and his band were phenomenal. We had a lot of fun watching them. Just a blast hanging out. And like, I don't know, it's awesome when we only get a little bit of time with the hosts and they want to make every second of it count. So Mello is one of those guys that's like he's so crucial to the journey and so important, and we had such a blast with him, even though it was only a few hours. And it's cool when the friendships can form and get really deep.
Well, I'm going to send you guys to Philippines, to one of my good friends, Chris. His name is Chris. Should I say the story?
Yes, yes, go on. Continue.
Oh my God. Okay, not many people know about him as his real self. You know, he's like because he stayed in our house for a long time. He became our family, he became my brother.
You guys are amazing. Yuujou, I love you guys.
Definitely one of my favorite days of the journey was yesterday. I love the jam-packed days. They're awesome. When we wake up in the morning and have no idea what's gonna happen, where we're gonna go, who we're gonna meet, and then by the end of the day, we've met an amazing person and have a trip on to the next place, and like everything is working out, so.
We have these Yuujou challenges, and one is going to a wedding. So we got here to Hawaii, and it was kind of our last chance to really complete this challenge. So what we did is we called every wedding planner we found online here in Hawaii, and we just asked if they maybe have a wedding the next few days and if we can like come as guests and everything.
So she really likes the idea. She doesn't know if the couple wants. The couple is actually 2 females. So I don't know, we don't know. It's very random. She said what I'm asking, and it's very like unusual. We will see.
Wedding. The only thing I think which has been frustrating for me is that I've reached out to so many like local people here, like that I've seen, and I've said hello to and found out, hey, do you live here, blah, blah, blah. And it's just so hard to like, it's not like Brazil, I don't know, it's so hard to break in. Like they seem like willing to talk to you and stuff like that, but not go that extra mile, like hang out. I'm like, hey man, like since you're local and stuff, well not even local, since you're around here, would you be keen to do stuff? And they're like kind of come up with these like lame stupid excuses, to be dead honest.
And yes, we made it. Just look, if we just open that, we can carry on. And end up where? Follow all the way there and take that. So actually skip that and follow that road all the way across with this car, like it's like so low, we will smash it down.
Nah, man, look at this road, it's fine. Panos, I should just check if we can open that, please.
Let's just go from the normal street. I hope so. Do you want to go from the illegal street? I don't mind.
Oh man, this is so annoying.
I kind of feel that now. I'm exhausted. I'm not exhausted that I'm tired, but I'm full with experiences. I realized that I'm after 86 days, my brain is like full with all these memories and experiences, and I mean it's amazing, but it's just a lot.
Yeah, sure. Okay, you get the heavy. Good.
No problem.
We probably don't need the.
So we are doing a sound healing right now with Eric. I never had done something like this in my life,
And then we ended up like on the roof of a thing, just he playing all these instruments, Tibetan stuff, or like all these beautiful sounds, and it was just an amazing trip. Like you really could like travel through his music. I really liked it. I really liked it, and I feel really calm after it.
So we are going to meet Carly right now after like somehow a week. She was so busy, and then we are gonna meet up in a restaurant. And finally we're gonna meet her, and maybe she can find us a way to go to Japan.
Hi, I'm Carly. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Carly Lorraine Noelani Kajiwara. I've been born and raised here in Moanalua, Oahu in Hawaii. I'm 19 years old, and I'm currently a student at UC Berkeley.
And she is very sweet, very proud of her island, which is amazing, I think. And she came with her mother. They showed us this restaurant where they have Hawaiian food. And then she showed us at her high school.
We're at Kamehameha Schools. It's my high school, and it was a school started by the Princess Keli'i Bernice Wahi Bishop, and it's a learning institution for the Native Hawaiian children. It's fully funded, I guess, by the princess, and she bequeathed all of her royal endowment to our school, and it's just to help Native Hawaiian children, I guess, succeed in the Western world. So we have classes here, and it's high school and all kinds of stuff.
It's a really important high school for Hawaii because it's a heritage of the princess, and it was a really great school actually. My high school was not so good.
We are in the Philippines, which is crazy. We are getting one last country in before Japan. Definitely did not expect ever to be here. So that is awesome. We are having a blast here. We got really passed quickly from Melo to his friend Chris. So we are about to meet up with Chris and his friend Glenn at this Filipino buffet.
And yeah, so we met our host last night, and that was so much fun. He's also a singer in a band, and he's covered with tattoos, and his friends were there as well, and we had such a good time.
Hey, my name is Chris, or Christopher, or Izzy. You know, I'm 41 years old, and I'm a musician and a driver, and I live in Lagro, Quezon City, Philippines.
Got to try some really interesting food. That was, some of it, never would have expected it to be food, but it was really good. So yeah, one of them was the CC.
So you can see here that Chris is mixing it up like with the egg. So this is like composed of onions, of deep fried face of the pig, knuckles, different parts.
All over the pig.
Yeah.
There we go. Good. It is good. Crunchy. It is crunchy. I didn't expect the crunch. We're about to eat balut, which is 1 day old chick out of the egg. So we're gonna crack it, abortioned egg, and we're gonna eat it with the beak and the eyes and the blood and everything, and just love it. And you sprinkle a little bit of salt before you eat it. So,
But
Good luck.
one crack like that.
No, you just crack it, small.
And
Okay.
yeah, just small portion.
There is
You just crack it and
something
you
else.
have to drink the
Right.
wow.
Oh my
There's
God.
this juice. This is the balut juice. You put out that thin layer of skin. That.
I'll be taking this.
So yeah. Where's the? No. Where's the salt? No, that's not the brain.
A little.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my
Well,
gosh.
you can lick the salt on your finger.
It's gonna be good.
But-
It's gonna be good. Just tell yourself that.
You drink the juice.
Yeah, it tastes nice. Hey, let's go. This is gourmet.
It's good.
No, you just have to.
Okay, you drink the juice.
Drink the juice.
Go for Joey.
Is it good?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Lucky, I was filming, so I was like, I'm filming. I don't have to eat this. Watching those faces, it was so much fun because those faces were like,
No, don't eat that first. Okay.
I don't
That
wanna
fell
eat
out.
No, you eat that.
No, I don't eat that.
Don't smell it. You can put salt if you want to.
Good job, man. You have to eat it all. You just press it.
There's a baby duck.
Pare 10
Yeah.
years without balut, tapos kakain.
No sweat, right?
No sweat. No sweat. Thank you guys.
Congratulations. You
five.
are now officially Filipinos. We're Filipinos. We are for a wedding here. Here is our wedding platter. Hello, June.
Hi there.
Hello.
Jimmy, my photographer.
Oh, nice. Hey. So what are we doing, man, now?
Going up hot, sand, clouds now.
There were only 2 more people, so the 2 women, then the daughter of one bride and her granddaughter. So we were standing there waiting that the ceremony begins, and then the photographer came and she was like, oh, you cannot stand there, you have to go over there. So we had to walk all the way to the back, and we were so far away from the ceremony we didn't see anything.
Check it out, guys. That's where they are. And that's where they are. Stalkering on the wedding. Stalkers, look at them. We were a bit far away. Like, that was the bad part of it, but like, it was just a great experience having this view, 2 brides and like love between them. And June was amazing, like the ceremony and the wedding planner. She's like just an amazing woman, and we are glad that she helped us on succeeding on the challenge of finding a wedding. I hope you like the new video that you have just seen, and if you want to see more, click here or here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. La 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 li la la li la la lo li la lu la li la li la la lo.